Hello, this video is specially for those who are in the final year. So basically in this video I have tried to cover all the aspect of final year report. So here you have this guideline. So when you look on this guideline, so all these basic things are given. This is for 7th and 8th semester, and cover page, title, then certificate, acknowledgement, abstract, list of tables, list of figures, list of synonyms, abbreviations, nomenclature, table of content, then chapters, then appendices and references. So those are basic things which you require to add while you are preparing your final year projects. Let us go down. Then here it is also important how to add references also, and what is the standard format for the references. So yes, here when you go up, yes, here the references are given. So from where you can find out references, I will cover uh, at the in the second part of this video, from what which standard website you can find out this. So this is very first is your title base. So first you need to write your title of the project, and font size will be 18. You require 1.5 spacing in each. A project report, font size is 14, submitted by name of the candidate in the fulfillment for the award of degree. So if you are in the 7th semester, then partial fulfillment, font size is 14, 1.5 is line spacing and italic. Then bachelor of engineering, uh, font size is again 16. In then name of the department, font size is then your institute logo, your institute name, and your address of the institute, Gujarat Technological University, in which month you are submitting your report, and in which year. So this is all about this title page. So you require to consider those standard font size while you are preparing your main title page. And here let's say if you are in 7th semester, you can write in the partial fulfillment for the award of degree. Here your institute name and institute logo is mandatory. And finally, this is how you can you prepare your title page. Then you have these certificates. So your name of institute, name of department, year, all these should be in 14 size, font size should be 14. Then in the certificate, uh, this certificate font size should also be 14. Then date, then you require to write in this format that this is to certify that dissertation and title. Here you require to put your title of the project. Here you require to write your name under the guidance of, this is actually a declaration, we can say, from the guide, that this student has worked under me in the 7th semester or 8th semester. So this is this basic thing you require to write in the certificate. So for each and every, let's say if you are 4 members in the group, so 4 separate certificate is required actually to generate. In which year, so you have to change here your guide name and your head of department. So this is standard format for the certificate. Then a list of tables. So in the list of tables, you require to write your table number, like in the chapter 5 first table, so 5.1, 5.2, likewise. So this is how you have to write in the, then page number, then table description you require to. So this is what you have to cover in the table. Then list of figures. So here you have the figure number, figure, let's say second chapter first figure, so 2.1, third figure, then 3.1, likewise. Then next is figure description. So in the figure description, then which is followed by page number, then list of symbols, abbreviations and nomenclature. So here you require to write all these things. Then in last you have table of content. So in this you have to cover all the things. We have started from acknowledgement, abstract, then list of figures, list of tables, list of abbreviations, and table of content. Here one thing is important, that you require to give page number which is in the Roman actually. So 1 to up to let's say 10, so all these numbers is given in the Roman. Then next your chapter will start, and you have to start your new chapter with a number like 1 2 3, and which is uh, in the words English letter. So 1 2 3 4 and so on. So this is all about every project standard guideline which is given by this GTU. So let us go through this. uh, but when you keep one thing in the mind, that you require to keep your initial pages in the Time New Roman, and finally you have to go with uh, your English letters. So your title page, certificates, your list of tables, then list of figures, list of symbols, abbreviations, nomenclature, table of content, all this. Here you notice one thing, that initial page number given in the English letter only. So Time New Roman is required actually. So how to change the page number, we will also cover in the upcoming videos. So this is all about project report. So you require to consider all this font size,